Moving on to the dollar and precious. Well, the dollar index has moved lower. We had a very weak payroll number. And no surprise that gold and silver also extended their gains. And gold is still, DEC is still $55 above spot. So we'll start with the dollar index. Just about made new lows, but not new closing lows. Remains the case that 112 is the most important level above. And on the short-term chart, we've also got 133 and a new level at 99.90, and then 99.30 and a half. But it's the profile that really matters, because what we have is a point of most time at 99.20. So we didn't quite make it today. If we do make a daily close below there, it turns the trend down. Gold in world currency terms surging higher once more today, and we have a similar story on COMEX. So we broke out on Wednesday, bit of a pause Thursday, and then away we go again today. So historically we have nothing above until 46.35.3, and of course a major support at 42.26.3. And Wednesday was actually a power play buy signal, but it was bullish anyway because we broke out. On the short-term chart, we see that breakout on Wednesday, and we've just extended higher. We now have a new zone of support at 42.63.7 to 61, and then 42.81.2. So risk-averse players can place their stop on a daily close below that point. Strategic players place their stop on a daily close below 41.75.7, which is the original breakout point. On the profile, we do have a nearer upside target than historically, and that lies at 45.32. On the monthly chart, the weekly, we went above the weekly extreme on Friday, but now we have 45.59.7, and the extreme for the month 47.72. Silver hasn't performed as well as gold, still in breakout mode, and the trend is up, and the target is 72.08. Important support 62.17. And then on the short-term chart we have 63.02, and then the breakout point at 61.27. We see that on the weekly we just about made it to the extreme at 65.22, but on the month haven't even hit the first deviation up yet. So in conclusion, dollar index trend is sideways, good support 99.20, but a daily close below there turns the trend down. Gold trend is up, next target 45.32, point of most time. Risk averse longs play stop on a daily close below 42.81.2. Note that's a major change, which I said was probably going to come on Wednesday. And strategic players also raised their stop to a daily close below 41.75.7. That's also a major change. The silver trend is up, next target 72.08. Place your stop on a daily close below 60.04 if strategic, again a major change. And risk averse players a stop on a close below 61.27, which is also a big change. And here are your supports and resistances. So I think it's going to be an interesting week next week. Okay, thank you.